booking in bio. Actually, it's not, love. It's not. I would never put myself through this again. I'm tired. My arms hurt. Y'all know my shoulder's already big. Can't do too much. Hey curl friends, it's _sincerely Asia, and I'm back at it again with another video, and this one is going to be on this look right here, honey. I know you see me. Listen, disclaimer, y'all know I have been tearing my hair up lately. I say it every video. I have really been putting it through pressure. Okay, so I needed to do a protective style. I'm doing a growth challenge. Y'all will hear more about that in another video. I've already done a length check, and we're still trying to figure out what's going on with this mid back. What's going on with this mid back length, honey. This video is going to be my first protective style of this year. I'm trying to do like 3 months of protective styles only, and this little passion twist look is the first one. I'm super happy with how these turn out. Look at the edges, honey. And if you would like to see how I did this super easy passion twist look, just keep watching. Can y'all believe this only took me like 4 hours? Okay, curl friends, so first we're going to start off by showing y'all how I separated my edges from my hair. It was very important that I separated them before I started to do my twist to make sure that I wasn't putting any extra tension on my hair. I'm showing y'all my parts. I pre-parted my hair in lines, and then I proceeded to part it in my triangles. It just made it way easier to do it like this, and I wanted to get a lot less breakage. This is my crochet pattern for the middle of my head, and let's get into these parts, honey. So to get some really neat parts, I made sure to grab some edge control and use that to separate my hair before I started my braid. This is a crochet technique that I chose to use for my individuals because I thought that it would cause less breakage than rubber bands. And bam, we are all done and ready to start crocheting. Before that, I wanted to make sure to put some oil on my hair to keep it extra moisturized for this protective style. So starting with the crocheted middle, I used the Lulu Tress already knotted pre-twisted hair to go ahead and crochet the middle. That's what made this process so fast. I crocheted the middle and only did individuals around the perimeter. Super simple. You're going to push your crochet needle through your braids and then attach your hair to the hook. It's already in a pre-loop. Pull it through, and then you're going to take your hanging piece of hair that's on the other side and just knot it through the crocheted loop that's already made, and then pull it to your own comfort. Alright, so I'm just going to let you guys watch me do it a couple more times, and then we are going to hop on to the next part.
Owe me back like you owe your tax. 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 Owe me back like you owe your tax.
Okay, so your girl is hopping back to the front. I'm going to show y'all how I did the individuals that were on the perimeter of my hair using that same easy crochet technique. I used the Cantu Shea Butter Maximum Hold Styling Gel to twist my hair and also to smooth my hair down for my twist. Taking my crochet hook, I'm going to put it through the base of the braid and take my free tress hair and loop it around. Pull it through. There you go, girl. Yeah, you got it. Pull it through. And then I'm going to take one strand, make sure you're taking one and not both, and put it through that loop. After I pull it through, I'm going to go ahead and tighten, pull it through so it creates a knot. And then that's when we are going to grab a bunch of gel and get to twisting. A technique that was very important was that every third time that I twisted down, I pulled the hair tight. Pull. Twist, 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 pull. Making sure that you're pulling it tight is going to help the hair to not unravel so easily. Trust me out, it took me a minute. Then once you get to the bottom, you're going to just wrap it around. Use some gel and just twirl it around your fingers. And there you go, you got your twist, girl. One thing that I left out in the earlier clip was that before you twist your hair, you want to grab your breech truss hair and just like mess it up a little bit. Just run your fingers through it. That's going to give you that nice, messy, passion twist look that we're going for. And now I'm gonna hush and go ahead and let y'all see me do this a couple more times just so y'all can get the hang of it. I know it took me multiple times of watching, so I'm going to give y'all that same courtesy, girl.
Like you owe your tax, owe me back 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 like you owe your tax.
Honey, y'all do not understand the praise break that came with getting to this last braid. I was excited. Like at this point, I'm a pro. I am a pro. Like y'all heard in the beginning, booking was ready to be in bio. Like I am hooking, I am pulling, I am twisting. Your girl is doing it all.
What up? Owe me back like you owe your tax. 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 Owe me back like you owe your tax.
And we have finished these twists, girl. They are done, but these edges are not. Come on now, we can do better. There she goes. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this detailed tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions about this style below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Back it up, back it up, push the back it, push the back it, push the back it.